And I pay my guest to know was so many years of experience. And you say, I mean, you be on your hit song or had a be under or bachelor macrubia or by a one shadow one fire. But any song I'm at say, if my guest no Columbia was a hit song. Now, the live performances, so no, may I show Pado Donapa in the one was so able be. It's me won't pay BBA pedazia. Throughout the day, used to know anywhere. Used to know or party I say, used to know wedding I say, used to know names a baby if I don't know ma or buffer. Minim say also because the first song is but I think that in 2007 no. Yomono, na yomleta pop of you hono one may a lot of hit songs and see we everywhere there's a Dinah Hamilton song and she's not stopping anytime soon. O Sunday Bessie and de Mami Edahara and Mahen hit songs. And your ma, when you say ya, you would tap ye papa. Apart from that, the personality in crown, the personality in contain crown. Can you come as a chain? Maui, good morning. You are so many things and more, especially for me.
Wow.
Especially for me. Nyami sure papa because Nyami used to pa and the way America was the way I'm touched by you, me sure that a lot of people also will relate the one so anytime what say a Dinah Hamilton song piano something good happens to them. Until no akwaba. Ahosepe but na san pay na ya dwendwen ye ho kakra minim there upcoming events also awake experience ya baka ho asam nso o ha de nti no me you free no in free ha de kra na me Dinah Hamilton and na ye reason nkomo mami and I pay you look good too na fashion a day oil do umojem me nya shora ko fashion school bia na
fashion school
umojem na entertain bia no wo fie na efa ya na de e bia ebusuo no mu awa na bia na ebola iso no na wonya July for ho
na me amakade me na you dress the way you want to be addressed Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday no a farmer Saturday no koni Sunday no chap
okay
na dem days ama kenyine ishiena even though a farmer but a farmer no be but we said do no fanitam no bonnet dem no fan pass ni who there mama prepare you be no be
I see.
You can't marry the two the farmer and the deaconess of Church of Pentecost it's mama who there what you wear will actually determine how you are addressed in other words what can I don't judge a book by its cover. In this instance, sometimes you are mostly judged by what you are wearing.
Okay.
See, on the floor, I'm auntie so. My papa and sister. I mean, no papa and mammy. It's never be seen. Almost no heels, she on your sensitivity, but no penny heels, she pencil heels. To me, I've rubber, the kitchen da, the sack of craving a walk. Me one I can't know the nature.
Okay.
And I couldn't wait for there. Many pen a mash and not tearing a mash and a popoa. Nah, it's no effect.
Wow.
The make the one way me influence.
Okay. Into no we have the way Erica was me about na about papa ni lecture there with an extended family.
Oh yes.
Now if you to the chapter
make a me fi papa na be nyina emi pa na menyim both sides and the expected both papa na side and mama na side. Extended family. Many men are not busy at saying one of your was a turn of an Dinah.
Okay.
It's a busy tune of a farm concerning Chanukumasi. Tina men are not busy and
oh, oh,
my cry.
Okay. Nakatan in Channel
Kumasi.
Okay.
Hence, make them be Kumasinya because it's now for 2 years. The time was now formative age. It's now from 2 years. Move through on. Now, maybe I was about 11 or 11 years, I think. And I'm a free home. And I'm a son called Hockey and nursing. But Miss Hona met him and general head than war Africanta, or 2 rooms, and a year decor, and one number so the cool. Some women and the money.
Is the 11-year-old you And now on notice something as significant
it
one and
was
another
actually the 6-year-old, 7-year-old,
wow
8-year-old, 9-year-old. Let me want to see na mhwe miss ma waye na tina wo kwachapo buduku but we jacals ka kregu ni wa bonu jade the transformation o beautiful tina o me fe
okay if you na honum 11 years
na me back back
okay but no ma me ho
okay you want tina maybe 2 years and was one course Sierra Leone okay na zaki nursing into shade wutem na zanim da nursing na edwuma be ya oh yes more a Morning Star. I'm very good at technical drawing. Tina me say architect. No come in the plans necessary.
Na intention ewo eba akra hade no. Morning Star na ekwe. Na Morning Star na shade na wo fie ska ho pa o.
Is it?
Wo fie na ska ho pa.
I make a na it's a compound house of Africa.
How? Until they sit on Morning Star.
My papa ye ibiana education here. Until if you meant the return the last
wow.
School. Tina medicine of na on to make a son with school and tina medicine it be a number 1 Morning Star. Miss of my left was now school. To them,
nice. And I'm sure that is one of the good decisions or make keep because for be at a compound house score Morning Stars. That should be some investment.
Or a soft in the mission house. But what my band 2 years no or course Sierra Leone. My mornings and channel cray.
Nice. Into after Morning Star no in
a national college. National college and
into international is your Fantana.
I want to measure who's saying. But I'm not neighbor of African Commerce or infantile. Yet don't I know so the door. It's not in an unwalk fancy on so older. But number na Korea my classmates, my age mates, na age no work fancy, and I admired them. Na make a no needs money and fin young on nice lad everything they did.
Oh, father for the other bus I was there.
One of an aunt no corner. Tomato some could singing when I walk across way. Nani gamma no could say no woman and calling a drums up somebody.
Okay.
It's no ever fair, but like I said the worker. But more call Ghana National, never catch him one day in fact 4 when you're there. Me free Ghana National fancy.
Okay. Nice. Into a impeccable fancy power. Yeah. Too much. No. As papa. I quadro work as a moon. I say, I can't hear so papa. International Damnona Ebia Waswa. Was this casa?
I think they are fancy pen or bomb them. Maybe you know, me neighbor no cafantin, no mama can them. Because Ghana day, mutase. But especially Michelle Cramp on the Dana today, more confidence now. Are you
okay?
And yet, I'm a fancy penny casa to Cadem, and I'm trying to
okay.
And you're good at languages.
Okay.
Fancy it and I try.
Okay. Me follow watcher into no Makade Ebia time as I said you have spoken about fertility issues and as with one your earlier songs now say pattern the cry you two who there epebino when you met away in your bino when you met away into no I may follow in that line and me who there one has a pattern since you are able to be a chima perfect God you bring cry into my jump hold perfect God Upper there, me a perfect amor,
perfect God is a message of grace or a very biblical. There, Nyamina on your born or your holy. But here, Bonina, yen sin to Nina also behind. That's what perfect God is all about. In there, sometimes it's very important there. Be real with yourself. There. Everything anybody sees underneath that oye nyimpa nyimpa suamo missing ton memory
okay
me nyam everything that brings you down in the middle of all that nyame say e ho na e wona na e pure the mamodo after the man oba around covid minya the management in the middle of
recording and
minya ya chair covid have 5 years na and I recorded maybe a year or two later na wada hwa ma na me release but covid ni man if you know people were scared not knowing as or who's going to die next when next ebenya covid whether you're going to live or not. There was time in I woke up one morning with a lot of fear and but I serve a God who is perfect in all of his ways and he loves me.
Okay. Mama ye tey anyom no kakra ba me pede to kakra mam. We so ya nom ye no ya kan ya no kakra. Nti no to perfect God na kakra mam.
I am human, born of a woman. I have my flaws. I do have my flaws. I have my imperfections, insecurities, things that get me down. Those are some flaws, just to mention a few. But I serve a God who is faultless, who is blameless, he is flawless, he is perfect in all of his ways, and he loves me anyway.
Okay. Into no you know obashe no kran. E release in tama ma hen. E release in tamo afa ma hen okra. New one okra Dinah Hamilton Perfect God. Streaming you know e fama no. You me abon Adom TV do da ma. I will enjoy kakwa. Enjoy kakwa na yeah da ma yet na cafe ba no. It's a love song. E bisa ma. You know, but you fall in love with Jesus. Na it's a perfect God. Streaming platforms ni nyina do. Ebenya enyom no owo honom. Mami, aye bio. Ewo clothing brand, yeah. DH clothing. And minim there advocate health. Some insurance, health, life insurance ambassador. Minim there up till now based in the hit songs is and why will be all bag the whole into no back to back no like you are doing things and I was to baby but personally minim that obi na za or the measure success into no ebeka day a successful ana
you good mekane you good it can be successful until they arrive, but hindering. We're still on the journey.
Okay.
But we celebrate every stage, every success. And we choose to enjoy every blessing. And then we actually more.
Yeah.
We haven't arrived, but
we're yes, I arrived, ma'am. Yes, I arrived. You know, our work experience no kodo here fan.
But this year, 3 cities were Ghana. Yeah, Accra, ICGC Christ Temple East. No Sunday or be 16th February. The following week near Kokomase Bantima, Church of Pentecost, 23rd February. The following week near Sunyane, Elizabeth Hotel, 2nd March.
Wow. Actually, this year natural. Most American from 2 would be by next year. No, be 4. You don't know. Not region singing
New Jersey.
Nice. I mean, you so papa or the raising and stuff. So, me pade share camera you not to Safobi. More especially catch my hand. Why at the Sunday also the yoko baby na ye shield or our week experience na say.
Meda say Eden Yamias de wa ma hen kwan no wa ma hen aduma chest de yam chonjo na the mage main he said already oye Dana Hamilton Ministries is a awake experience with Dana Hamilton. It's a back ICGC Christ Temple East or Tishi. Afino is the 11th year. Yes, I say 11 years. See, last year 10 years. Now, Afina miss or it's in our ship or boy every door, every crooked path or in the street. Just here move. We are moving from one level of grace to another level.
Amen.
Of grace. In Territory Safra, when you're not there, when you're not one bra, want to want tickets na when you ebusiafo one brand ni enhia ICGC Christ Temple East Sunday the 16th of February no nan pepe na ya sha as gate we boy na enya baby ni atna na ya sha around 5 na ya start if you be experience then you start in time you yen yen chero ho interba meaning the Monday boko edwuma we're not going to waste your time Brentam na yen shenya minutes na enya yewi am kofo wo kumase so enye won rebehia on the 23rd or Bantam Church of Pentecost it's when she 4 o'clock the following week ni osunyane 2nd March me kanye day jo tickets Accra ha Kumasi sunyane maybe you say o short code *725 *8080 hash reference bio *725 *8080 hash which my total tickets were online we deliver more online but just a call ticket outlet to share in Kranha Bachelor Total than Suman Shell Hacho Shell Tema Community 8 and 11 Shell Airport Shell Cantonment Shell or Osu oh mun nebe yebi na ato ikokumasi so abakwa run about poku trading oh mun nebe yebi na ato na short code no oye adwuma ikosunya no so a Elizabeth Hotel on one reception no oton tickets ni bi wo mo one quarter tickets ni bi na yinhia Sunday in kofa waraba eba kra ha meze Pastor Joby Chem reba meze kweku osu kofi osu peparaba kweku terriba na team eternity so meze one ba kra yedu kumaso so a Uncle Atoraba Cindy Thompson Mabel Ochi Kwame Jedu Sunyane yete Sandy Asare Emmanuel Awoche Kwame Jedu na mama brother Kofi Sapon the chief super himself yenye one rupa it's one make it time na yenhia na yenyinya minutes na aye yembom pe yemeza atoye na koma bede afi yembom pe man kofu ho na adwuma no ho sikasem and we're trusting God there by am Sunday 16 February ICGC Christ Temple East yenhia wo.
Okay, you know, neither Hamilton, you most welcome that we are not gonna waste your time. No. Also, who did para? I have no waste your time, no cry. Or Maznara, Nakaka, and Sao Hono, my CGC Christ Temple, or a Sunday, you chima, 5 pepe, na yashasi. Man, you're late. Quantum, na tum na you tam na tum na kakadentum na abejuma Monday and tam chatting tan. Into no me de besi hade am da cafe ba no afasi de bia betin hade ya woma enjoy hu ye papa very lovely dish wo Jowulu police station in Chan hono ma for ho na bra beje wozi ana pay wi abre nwumbro wo hade mo wo be waste 5 kama was it ammo me de besi ha nyame ya adoma ye besa na ye hia follow mo social media handles ni nyina o wa fanto do ma sorry